Our industry is a powerful force, but we have so much more potential to grow and fuel prosperity across the UK. For that to happen, SME manufacturers, the heartbeat of our industrial base, must be on a growth mission of their own, and they'll need support to do that, as our report outlines.
There are two really critical things that the report covers. The first one is, how do SME members, how do companies around the country access the support that's available to them? And one of the things that the report knows and concludes, and one of the things that we hear from our members all the time, is that they don't know what's out there for them and they don't know how to get it. And one of the really important things is that this is a way of connecting those members up with the best resources, the best available help, and the shortcuts that enable them to grow faster and quicker and more effectively. The other really important thing about this report is, as always with Make UK, we want to tell government how they can make it even better, because it shouldn't be that hard to get the sort of support you need, and we should be looking around the world at seeing where other countries do it better than us and what we can learn from them.
Over a series of videos, we'll be sharing the detail of the blueprint to future growth and shining a light on the support that's available to help you thrive.